Guys, ang tagal-tagal kong hinintay to, promise. Oops! How are you mga ka-lockdown? It's Uncle Chris and I have a big news today. After a long wait, actually umabot ng about 2 weeks, finally I received what I've been waiting for a little while. I worked so hard for this. And it's actually very fulfilling. Iba yung excitement to take a hold of it. I finally got... Ta-da! My Silver Play Button Award from YouTube. And I can't wait to unbox it to you right now. You know, exactly a year ago, my YouTube channel, Inside 360, just had about, say, 50,000 subscribers. And since 2 weeks ago, it reached 100,000. So I got qualified for the award. And on top of it, ang bilis-bilis ng shipping, I got the award. So there you go. I want to unbox it with you guys. I want to show you how it looks like. So from outside, look at this. Oops, masyado na malakas ang ilaw. Yeah, there! That's the box. So what I'll do now is I'll open it. Oh my goodness, there you go. I'm like a little boy. There you go. Guys, ang tagal-tagal kong hinintay to, promise. Oops! It is a letter from YouTube. It says, "You've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribed to your channel. Chu Susan Wojcicki or Kiki? Kiki? She's the CEO of YouTube. So I got this. And it's actually... Oh! Oh, shucks. Bakit may ilaw? There! It has Inside 360, which is the name of my YouTube channel. And it says, presented to Inside 360 for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. There you go, guys. It's my first video unboxing my Silver Play Button. Happiness. Thank you so much for subscribing and good day.